The best local marketing ideas for a pop-up drink stand are picking high-traffic spots, partnering with nearby businesses, using eye-catching signage, and staying active on social media with real-time location updates. Think about your drink stand like a lemonade stand that wants to become famous in the neighborhood. First, location matters more than almost anything else. So set up near farmers markets, parks, gyms, or busy sidewalks where people are already walking around thirsty. Second, team up with a nearby shop, like a hair salon or a laundry place, and offer their customers a discount if they mention that shop, because this creates a friendly trade where you both send customers to each other for free. Third, make a big colorful sign with your prices and flavors written large enough to read from far away, since most people decide to stop within just a few seconds of seeing your stand. Fourth, use social media, especially short videos, to show your drinks being made, because people love watching pouring and mixing, and it makes them feel like they know your process. Finally, always post your exact location the morning of, since pop-up stands move around, and people cannot visit you if they do not know where you will be that day. One common mistake is picking a spot that looks busy but does not actually have foot traffic that stops, so watch how people move before committing, not just how many people pass by. Another mistake is inconsistent hours, since people lose trust in a stand that is never in the same place twice, so try to keep a repeatable weekly schedule even if the location changes slightly. Lastly, many stands forget to collect repeat customers, so keep a simple punch card or a text list, because it costs nothing and turns strangers into regulars. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.